Welcome back to Crypto Lodge, and today we're talking about Grape Finance. That's grapefinance.app. TBL is 5,800. It is pegged to MIM, Magic Internet Money, so pegged to $1. The winery, basically the boardroom or the masonry or the temple, whatever you want to call it. I've got some staked. I think I want more staked. Let's see how easy it is to quickly buy. Go buy wine. Let's take a look here. Okay, I need to add funds. So that's not happening. Oh, I have one AVAX. That's good enough for me. 1.5. Swap. It is over peg. It is 580% APY, over 1% daily. In the winery, so that's good for me. If you like this kind of content, these kind of DeFi protocols, hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. If you hit the bell notification, you'll be notified when I upload videos right away. For a very modest $7, I do have a membership program where you get 1 hour one-on-one consultation with me every month. You get all sorts of calendars, members only videos, members only live streams. Okay, I got more wine. Now let's go to the winery. Hit this plus button. Add that wine there. Next epic is in 1 hour and 7 minutes. And the daily APR is 1.56%. That's pretty great. You can't even find a bank account with a yearly APY of 1.56. So there we go. That's staked. Let's check out what else they have. So let's see. I have $168 in the winery now. 0.7 staked of wine. Here's the wine chart. Doing pretty great. It is up 6x in 21 days. Very good. Let's check out Grape. Grape is the coin that you earn. It'll make a comeback, hopefully. Here's strategy for when the TWAP is above 2.0. It's not. Between 1 and 199. Yeah, you should be LPing and whatnot. Let's check out the LP APRs. Looks like the best is Grape Wine, which is the same as single staking in the winery. So as long as this is above peg, I'm sticking with winery. So in 1 hour and 5 minutes, I will gain some grape for my staked wine. I may add to this. I may actually go to Beefy or YieldWolf. Come straight to the. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to, once this is up in 20 hours, I'm going to withdraw all the wine. I'm going to go to YieldWolf type in wine. Single stake wine for 1.57, and it will automatically compound. So it'll auto compound, and I don't have to worry about it. So I'll link all of this in the description. If you like the content, like and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notification to catch the new projects when I drop them. And for just a itty bitty couple dollars, you'll get access to some premium features. Info in the description. Thanks for watching. Good luck in all your trades. I'll see you next video.